Alright, this is Ralph back with another quick project update with this 1986 Cadillac Eldorado with over 19,000 miles on. One more thing, Armor All the top. I didn't know if I'd like to use Armor All. I've used that in the past and it's caused some problems with some projects I've done in the past, but somebody else suggested try it again, so I did. I used leather wipes. It is actually for leather and vinyl. This is a vinyl top. Here's the original after just cleaning it, and you can see the other side is just using the vinyl wipes or the Armor All wipes. Here's some of that. I actually did it couple of days ago and let it dry on the side here, and I redid the top because there was some spots that looked a little coming through. You can probably see right there. That's so the side is totally dry, and the back that's where the sun doesn't get it very much, but the top again is just redone. Actually tried it a little bit on the bumpers because they're they're a little faded back here. The front bumpers are good on this car. I don't know why the front bumpers are so nice looking and the back bumpers aren't. They're the same material, but that's it for now, and check back for a finished product. I'm still waiting on a headliner, and then I'll be done with this thing and ready for somebody else to enjoy.